Hi everyone. Today let us learn about the diseases in living beings. A disease is a condition in living beings that appears when some part of a body does not function properly. Diseases can occur due to many different reasons. They may occur due to germs or due to unhealthy lifestyle or deficiency of nutrients. We know that when we fall sick or have got a disease, then we can see the symptoms. Symptoms are signs that let us to know that we are fallen sick. For example, when we have a common cold, then we can see the symptoms. What are the symptoms? The symptoms are running nose and sneezing. The symptoms are different in different diseases. This was a short introduction of the diseases. Let us go further more about the diseases. Let us start. Here are the types of diseases. There are two types of diseases. First is communicable disease and second is non-communicable disease. Let us study one by one. What is communicable disease? Diseases that spread from one person to another are known as communicable diseases. These diseases are caused by very tiny organisms called germs. Then what is non-communicable disease? Diseases that do not spread from one person to another are known as non-communicable diseases. They are either caused due to deficiency of nutrition or when our organs do not work properly. Today, let us learn briefly about the communicable diseases. For a communicable disease to spread, four things need to be present, that is, source, agents, mode of transmission, and host. Let us study briefly about these four things. First is source. This is a person or place from where the disease originates. For example, a sick person, an animal, or a garbage dump. The disease spread from eyes, nose, mouth, and hands. For example, when a sick person is suffering from fever, they spread the germs to the another person by sneezing, coughing, rubbing the eyes, or by touching hand to hand. The infected person can transfer the disease to the another family member or friends. The diseases can also spread from the animal to the person. Whenever you are playing with the animals, after playing, please wash your hands and legs, your face properly. The diseases also spread from the garbage dump or a dustbin that is present in a house. So keep clean every day so that the germs are not spread from person to person or from hand to the food. So keep the dustbin clean every day so that you can live a healthy life. Let us see the next. The agent. The agent is the thing that causes the disease in our body. There are different types of agent that can spread a diseases. That is bacteria, virus, protozoa, and fungi. The bacteria that cause diseases such as typhoid, plague, cholera, and tuberculosis. Whereas virus that can cause diseases such as polio, chickenpox, measles, mumps, and common cold. Whereas protozoa that can cause diseases such as malaria and amoebic dysentery. Whereas fungi that can cause diseases such as skin infection. These are the agents that can cause diseases to our body. Let us see the next, that is mode of transmission. It is the medium or the way through which diseases reach the host body. Some modes of transmission are air, eating or drinking, infected food and water. Some may be direct contact and insect bites. The mosquito bites, whenever we have seen it. As the mosquito is feeding, it injects saliva into our skin. Then your skin reacts to the saliva, resulting in itching. And some people only have a mild reaction, and some may suffer from diseases. And another example, that is a cold. A cold spreads through a direct contact. Let us see next, that is a host. The host is a person or a living being that the diseases attack. For example, a human being, an animal, or a plant. This is the organism that will feel the effect of the infected disease that has travelled through the chain of infection. So, the diseases can attack on human beings or animals and plants. This was a 4 main things that have to be present in the communicable diseases. How to be prevented from the diseases and how to stay healthy. Let us see some points, isn't it? Keep yourself clean and your surroundings clean. Wash your hands before eating and after eating. Wash your hands after using the toilet. Use a handkerchief whenever you need it. Eat clean and fresh food and drink boiled water to keep your body strong to fight infection and stay away from an infected person. Let sufficient air and sunlight enters your house. Wipe the floor in your house clean. Now, let us see some example of communicable diseases. Chickenpox. The common symptoms of chickenpox are fever, blister or spots on the body and face. This disease can spread when the blister bursts and release a liquid. These are the 4 main things that have to be present in the chickenpox. Let us see the next, cholera. It is an infection of small intestine. Symptoms are loose motion, loss of water from the body and vomiting. These are the 4 main things that have to be present in the cholera. Let us see the next, diarrhea. The symptoms include stomach pain, loose motion and headache. And let us see the 4 main things that have to be present in the diarrhea. Let us see the next, ringworm. The symptom is a circular rash, look like a ring that is usually red or itching. And these are the 4 main things that have to be present in the ringworm. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.